Google Home Speaker Setup Tutorial. Welcome. Let's set up your Google Home speaker. First, download the Google Home app and sign in. On the home page, tap Create Home. Enter your home name and address. Next, tap the plus button and select Device. Allow camera access and turn on Bluetooth. When your Google Home speaker appears, tap Next. Please wait while the app connects to your speaker. Once connected, tap No Thanks. Choose the room where your speaker is located, for example, living room. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait for the speaker to connect. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Your Google Home speaker is now ready to use. Now, let's connect your Google Home speaker with the RaizoSmart app. In the Google Home app, go to the home page. Tap Add Device, then select Add a different way. Search for RaizoSmart, then tap Link app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. When prompted for a verification code, open the RaizoSmart app. Go to Me, then tap More. Select Google and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once your account is linked, you can assign your smart devices to any room you like. The room shown on the screen is for demonstration purposes only. You can rename the lights, such as living room lights and master bedroom lights in the RaizoSmart apps. That's it. You can now control your RaizoSmart devices using voice commands through your Google Home speaker.
Hey Google, turn on the living room lights.
Okay, turning the living light TV on.
Hey Google, turn off the living room light.
All right, turning off the living light TV.
Hey Google, turn on all lights.
All right, turning 5 lights on.